Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And do not forget something. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, guys, just go down to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. You will find the link there. If you are not on Telegram, open one and follow us. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. So at first, this was an ice, right? Then the correction move has literally been played, right? The correction move has been played. So in the long run, I will be expecting GBP JPY to push up to the upside, give us a new highs. That's maybe probably this move will beat next year. So I don't think all this move that I'm predicting, this movement that will give us a new higher highs, I don't think it will happen this year because we all know this October very soon we'll get to November, December. And markets do act funny around the November, December period. But anyway, in the long run, GBPJPY should actually continue to push up and give us a new higher highs. That is the long-term move. Now, when you take a look at this recent move, right, you see that there are some certain key levels we should highlight here. We can see that once market comes to this same level, we tend to see push up, came to this same level, push up, came to this same level, push up, came to this same level, and now it is pushing up. So where is the most likely level price is very much likely to come to? Price is most likely to come to level of 182. If you can break it, then I see us coming to level of 183. So this is my main level, by the way, on GBPJPY. So we should come to this level 182.874, then probably a little bit of a pullback and another ice. This is what I'll be expecting to play out on GBPJPY. At the same time, price can come to this level of 182.874 and give us another fall because we all know this level here is the resistance level. Whatever way market wants to do, we should see to come to this resistance level and let's see if it will fall and we will go ahead and hop in and sell. But if we don't get any confirmation that it will fall, then you should see it push up one more time. So keep your eyes on GBPJPY. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will see I'll post some updates for you guys on that Telegram channel.